So it looks like it's probably got a low refrigerant charge. And just to make sure our pressure sensors are reading correctly, we can run this evacuation and service field request special function, and it should make all three of the sensors equalize, in which case you can see right here, they are all about the same reading now. So that lets you know your sensors are good and the actual pressure is off in the system. So just to recap, both our high and low side pressures are low when the system is operating, so it most likely means we're dealing with a leak somewhere. So in order to access the service ports, you have to.
Yeah, so definitely a leak somewhere. I'll watch probably the rest of the video and see if he says anything else, but probably a leak somewhere because it's low, and that's unfortunate. So my guess is that they're going to have to replace their entire battery. So big pop out. Think of it kind of like a Lego. It'll pop out. They'll pop another one back in. The worst part of this is that their truck's probably going to be in the shop for a while until parts come in.